Hello and welcome to another GIS and remote sensing tutorial. Today we will learn how to build raster attribute table in ArcGIS. In ArcGIS we working with many types of raster data. Sometimes we could not open the raster attribute table due to the inactivity of the attribute table. So let's start. First we need to add our raster data, then right click on the layer, then you can see the open attribute table didn't work or it is in inactive mode. Then we need to build the raster attribute table. For this, go to Arc toolbox, then data management tool, and then go raster and then raster properties. Then you can find the build raster attribute table. Just double click on it and input the raster as the input file. Just click OK. The analysis has been done. Then the open attribute table has been activated. So you can change the color for visualization. If you want to classify, just go to symbology and then classify. Choose the color ramp, then just click apply. Thanks for watching.